So over here you can see that I have a project, and right now I am working in a single monitor. So if you have dual monitors, then what you can do is you can go around onto a workspace, go around onto dual screen and turn it on. And over here you can see that you can go around and choose a primary display where you want to work. So what you can do now is you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto medias right here, and then over here you can see the media file. So you can go around and edit in one window while you have the bin opened up in another window. So to do that, you can go around onto any bin right here, right click, and over here you can see you can open this out as a new window. So once you do that, this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go around and then push this out onto the other screen of your choice right here. So if you have multiple monitors, then you can go around, and from that particular window you can go around and then, let's say for example, select out the file right here and then drag and drop it for editing onto another window, just like that. And that is how you can go around and then utilize the dual monitor option and then open up windows inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.